灰老鼠用碎布和尘土遮盖洞口，想蒙混过关。小花猫绕着地面嗅了嗅，伸出爪子轻轻一扒，伪装立刻脱落。灰老鼠刚探出头，就被小猫按住耳朵，动弹不得。The grandmas covered the hole with rags and dust, trying to get away with it. The little tabby cat sniffed around the ground, stretched out its paws, and gently scratched it, and the disguise immediately fell off. As soon as the gray mouse poked its head out, the kitten held down its ears and made it unable to move.